Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Ultra Mobile eSIM. If you're doing this in your Android, go to your settings and then go to Network and Internet, tap on Add Mobile Network, okay? Basically the plus icon. And then what you want to do is select download a SIM instead. Just follow the directions on your device till you reach the scanner, and then you want to go ahead and tap on a need help button below the scanner, and you can proceed to enter it manually and paste the QR code there. Okay, and if you're on the iOS, you basically just do the same steps, just scan the QR code using the phone. Your Ultra service will actually be on, and just go ahead and follow the steps. Okay, and if you want to add it manually, go to settings, go to cellular, click on add cellular plan, and then click on enter details manually. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.